Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do an unboxing. As you can see, I have this giant box here. It's from Litterbox, and no, it's not sponsored. Trust me when I say I used my hard-earned pennies to buy this product a couple years back, but I had some problems with it and I decided to redeem my warranty, and they sent me a replacement product, and I asked for the upgrade to the open air, so that's what we have here. So without further ado, let's get into it. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this. This is quite the product, and I shouldn't be surprised because it's not my first one. It's quite the daunting thing to kind of look at. It kind of reminds me of like a spaceship for a cat to go poop in, but you know, it's a cool product if you can, you know, justify the expense. It will actually end up paying itself off in time saved. So that's why I'm excited to have this new product, because it is a Wi-Fi compatible product that I can control via my phone. The convenience of not having to clean the litter box much is something that I'm super into. So let's see if I can pull this out. Oh. This thing is pretty massive. For those of you who haven't seen it before, this is what it looks like, brand new out the box. I'm gonna unwrap it. All right, so now that I have this all unwrapped, I decided I would take a seat to show you the rest of what we have going on here. As you can see, this is our control panel. We have our power button, our cycle, empty, reset, and then these buttons here let you know the product is ready, it's cycling, or it's on a timing mode. These also light up to let you know that the product is in some kind of fault mode. Basically, it looks like exactly the same design with the exception of the Wi-Fi indicator here. I don't think there's gonna be too much new that I'm gonna have to learn other than how to program it. So I'm really excited to try this out. Let me just show you the litter tray. So you put your litter in here and your cat goes to the bathroom, and then it senses the weight. It gives some time for your cat to do its business before cycling, and then it cycles. There's a hole in the top that will make its way to the bottom, which will allow for waste to fall into this tray, which they provide you with some bags. And basically every 4 to 6 days, depending on how many cats are using this and what your cat's elimination process is, you know, you're just gonna open this up and take this out and replace the bag, and then just push it back in. That's basically the gist of this product. Hey, something I forgot to talk about. Accessories and things. This was in the box. It is a manual and probably a quick start guide, as well as some stickers. And of course, the most important thing would be the adapter. So this is something you need in order to use this product. So you wouldn't want to not pull this out of the box if you were to order this. All right, so that's it. Let's get this thing set up. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. I post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat, because I'll catch you on the flip side. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the app. Mine is named Q's Litter Robot. And as you can see, I haven't run a cycle yet, so everything is low, fresh, clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and cycle this. It tells me that the cycle is in progress. In the meantime, while it's doing that, I'll show you guys some of the info that it collects. I really like this feature because it helps me use this data to understand my cat's overall health. As my cat is older, he does suffer from renal disease, and that translates to him going to the bathroom a lot. So I'm able to kind of keep an eye on his potty habits. Okay, so this area of the app I like because this plots the data into a graph. So we have information by week or month, and as you can see, my cat's potty habits are quite varying, and I'm still trying to get enough information to have like a solid baseline on like his overall average use is. And here we have like, you know, basic setting screen, and we're back to the home page waiting for the cycle to finish. Takes about, I would say about 3-4 minutes, but not too long, under 5 minutes for sure, and then you're done. So that's a quick tutorial on how to use the app, or how I use the app. I think it's actually really good. I like the fact that this is Wi-Fi enabled. All right, as you can see, my gauge just went up and I am complete. Hey guys, okay, so I have a quick update. I've only been using my litter robot a little while, and I ran into an issue with my internet, which caused me to have to reset my network name. Lo and behold, this Wi-Fi product doesn't actually have a way to repair your device over Wi-Fi. You actually have to delete your litter robot from the app, potentially risking all of your data, to then go back through the onboarding process with the same litter robot. It's really quite ridiculous, and honestly, it was such a hassle. I went on the website and could not find any information about this. I went on YouTube, I could not find any information about this. And instead I had to take off work early and call their 800 number and speak to someone who walked me through the process, which took a bit of time because guess what? You have a litter robot that's currently in use, which means that it's filled with litter and waste and very hard to move. And you have to manipulate this thing in order to get access to the back so that you can scan the QR code during the onboarding process to pair it. So all in all, it took me like an hour to get my litter robot back on board, in addition to having to leave work early, just because they don't have a way to repair. So if you change your Wi-Fi name or password, you have to go through this all over again. For the cost of this product, which is anywhere upwards of $400 something, it's really short-sighted that they don't have this addressed in the app. I really just don't understand in 2018. I mean, it is awesome that there's a robot litter box that is on Wi-Fi, but honestly, if you're gonna do something like this, then I feel like you really need to do it right. Like, don't half step, like just do it right. And in the process of talking to the customer service agent, I learned that they don't even have an Android app yet. And I was previously an Android user. I just switched to iPhone. So I would be so upset. While I get it, they're small and they're growing and they're learning from their mistakes, they still have quite a long way to go. All right, that's all for now. You guys be good. I'll catch you on the flip side. Yay, we recorded some shit.